Good morning, student. My name is Roshan. Today, I will teach you class 5 computer chapter number 6 and chapter name is formatting in MS PowerPoint. So now let's see. First of all, what is the PowerPoint? A PowerPoint is a presentation software. It is used to create or make presentation. Understood? So what is the presentation? A presentation is the process of communicating a topic to an audience. Okay. So Microsoft PowerPoint used to create presentation. So now today we will describe different presentation view. Okay. So now let's begin. Presentation view. To make working with PowerPoint convenient, Microsoft PowerPoint provides the normal, slide, sorter, note page, and reading view and slideshow view. Microsoft PowerPoint provide 5 presentation view. So let's see one by one. Normal view. What is the normal view? This is the normal view. Normal view include panes for presentation, outline, current slide, and any notes for the current slide. This is the default view of PowerPoint and most commonly used normal view. Okay, now second view is slide sorter view. Second is slide sorter view. Slide sorter view enable to view all slides together, sequenced, thumbnails. Slide sorter view used to rearrange slide or rearrange the presentation. Okay. Now third is notes page view. Notes page view enable to view speaker notes along with the slide. Notes page view can be selected from presentation view group on view tab. And fourth is the reading view. Reading view open in a read only mode. Okay, no changes can be made. Similarly, slideshow but control the navigation are visible on the screen. This is also known as full view. Slideshow view is also known as full view. Now we see how to edit fonts format. Okay, to break monotony in a presentation or to emphasize text, you can change the format of the text and alignment of the case type. To change the format of text, you can change the font style, size, color or effects. So now let's see how to change font style of presentation. First of all, select the text. After that, click on font family. Okay. Then select the required font. Then your font style changes. Now next point is how to change the font size. Okay. Let's see. First of all, select text. After that, make sure that the home tab is selected. Then click on font size drop down list in font group. Then select the required font size. Suppose you want to select the 24 font size. Okay. Then the font size changes. Okay. Now next point is how to change font color. Similarly, select the text and make sure the home tab, click on font color. Okay, this is the font color. Then select the required color. Then your font color changed. Text effect. Microsoft PowerPoint have basic three text effect. First is bold, second is italic, and third is underline. Okay. Bold makes the selected text appear thicker, and italic makes the selected text appear silent, italic, and underline makes the selected text appear underline. Okay, so now let's see how to change bold, italic, and underline text. Let's see. First, select the text, then make sure that the home tab is selected, then click on bold, okay, bold icon in font group. This is the group, okay, for bold icon. Then the selected text become bold. After that, selected text become bold. Similarly, you can do italic and underline. Okay. Now let's see text alignment. PowerPoint allow you to position the selected text with respect to the right or left margin. There are 4 alignment options in PowerPoint. First is align text left, center, align text right, and justify. Okay. First is align. This is align text left. It is used to align text to the left margin, and this is the center. Okay, this is center alignment. It is used to align the text to the center of the page, and right, align the text right, align the text to the right margin, and justify, align the text to both the margin, both sides. Okay. Now we will see indenting text. What is the indenting text? Indentation is used between paragraph to distinguish them and make them more readable. Okay. You can indent either the first line or entire paragraph. When indent, the paragraph does not start from the margin. Okay. Indentation is used to bulleted or number text to show that the list is multi-level. The main bullet or number start from the margin, and next level start further than the margin. Indenting paragraph, how to shade. First place the cursor before the first letter of the paragraph. Okay. Then go to home tab from paragraph group. Then click the launcher. Then the paragraph dialog box appear on the screen. This is the paragraph dialog box. Okay. Then from the indentation section, click the special drop down list. Select the first line to indent the starting point of paragraph or holding the indent the entire paragraph. In the by speed box use to up and down arrow key to set the indent distance. Then click on OK. The paragraph is indented. Understood? Now, how to change color scheme in PowerPoint presentation? Okay, Microsoft PowerPoint allow you to customize the color scheme, font, background, and effects in a presentation. Let's see how to change it. First of all, click on Design tab. After that, click on Color option in Theme group. Then a drop-down list appear on the screen. Click the required color scheme. The color scheme is applied to all the slides. So, okay students, today I will discuss in PowerPoint what is the PowerPoint and different type of view presentation, font format, font style, and how to change color themes of slides. I hope you understood very well. So today is over. Thank you.